To shop using Klarna Payment, start by selecting the items you want to purchase from your preferred online store. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the Klarna Payment option, which is usually listed alongside other payment methods such as credit cards and PayPal. Click on the Klarna Payment option to initiate the payment process. You will be redirected to the Klarna website, where you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, you will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have created your account or logged in, you will be asked to provide some additional information, such as your address and date of birth. This information is used to verify your identity and determine your eligibility for Klarna's payment options. Klarna offers several payment options, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing. The Pay Now option allows you to pay for your purchase immediately, while the Pay Later option gives you the flexibility to pay for your purchase up to 30 days after the purchase date. The financing option allows you to split your purchase into monthly payments over a period of time. Choose the payment option that best suits your needs, and review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Make sure you understand the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms associated with your chosen payment option. After selecting your payment option, you will be asked to confirm your purchase and authorize the payment. Once you have authorized the payment will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation email from Klarna. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Klarna app or website. If you have any issues with your payment, you can contact Klarna's customer support team for assistance. Best practices for using Klarna Payment include making timely payments, keeping track of your payment schedule, and reviewing the terms and conditions of your payment option carefully. By following these best practices and understanding how Klarna Payment works, you can enjoy a convenient and flexible payment experience.